In many African traditions, the line between the living and the dead is not a finality, but a transformation. Ancestors are not gone. They are a transformed presence, an eternal energy guiding the living. In Igbo cosmology, ancestors, the Ndi Ichie, are revered figures who have completed their life cycle and now reside in the spirit world. They are not distant spirits, but active participants in the lives of their descendants, offering protection, guidance, and blessings. They are the unseen guests at every gathering, the silent listeners in every council. Through rituals and libations, the living maintain a constant connection, ensuring that the wisdom of the past illuminates the path of the future. For the Akan people of Ghana, ancestors, the Nsomonfo, are the foundation of the community. They are the custodians of tradition and the arbiters of morality. They live on in the spirit world, as a mondo, and continue to influence the lives of their kin. Blackened stalls in shrines are not mere objects, but sacred vessels of their spirits, a testament to their enduring presence and power. Through the pouring of libations and the recounting of their great deeds, their legacy is honored and their guidance is sought to ensure the prosperity and continuity of the clan. In ancient Kemet, or Egypt, ancestors, the Aku, were considered luminous, effective spirits. Death was a transition into a higher state of being, where they could continue to interact with and influence the mortal world. The living had a duty to remember and nourish their ancestors through offerings and prayers, ensuring their comfortable existence in the afterlife. In return, these blessed ancestors provided protection, interceded with the gods, and offered wisdom through dreams and omens. They were the eternal guardians, the bridge between the human and the divine. From the Igbo to the Akan to the Kemetians, the message is clear. Ancestors never die. They are the roots of the great tree of life, unseen but essential, providing the strength and nourishment for the branches to reach towards the sky. They are the whispers in the wind, the warmth of the sun, the steady rhythm of the earth. If this exploration of ancestral wisdom resonated with you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more journeys into our shared heritage.